In today's video, we're diving into the latest update, specifically focusing on the improved marker behavior with powerful new filtering options. If you've ever struggled with organizing your markers or filtering them efficiently, you're in for a treat. Let's kick things off by exploring the enhanced marker panel. Now, not only can you view all your markers in one place, but you also have the ability to filter them based on your specific needs. Whether you're working with sequence markers or clip markers, the marker panel has got you covered. By selecting from the filter options like Show All Markers, Show Sequence Markers, or Show Clip Markers, you can easily focus on the markers most relevant to your current project. And here's the game changer. With the option to ignore selection in Timeline, you can filter markers regardless of which track items are selected. It's all about staying organized and finding exactly what you need when you need it. But wait, there's more. Inside the Markers panel, you'll find all the juicy details you need, from marker colors to in and out points, and even comments. Plus, clicking on a clip thumbnail in the Markers panel instantly moves the playhead to the corresponding marker location. Talk about efficiency. Now let's talk about flexibility. With the ability to change a marker's in or out point, you can easily adjust from single-frame markers to markers covering a range of time. It's all about adapting to your workflow seamlessly. And here's a pro tip. If you've got multiple track items selected in the timeline, you can view all their clip markers together in the Markers panel. And deleting multiple selected markers at once. Yes, you can do that too, right from the Markers panel. It's all about streamlining your editing process. Ever wondered about source or sequence in and out points? The Markers panel now includes user interface indicators, making it crystal clear where these points are amidst the markers displayed. It's all about visual clarity, helping you stay on top of your editing game. Now let's talk about adding markers. Whether you're on the source monitor, program monitor, or timeline, adding markers is a breeze. Plus, any markers added to the program monitor are seamlessly reflected in the timeline, and vice versa. It's all about keeping your workflow smooth and synchronized. And finally, let's dive into marker customization. From setting names and durations to adding comments or even turning markers into chapter markers or web links, the possibilities are endless. With just a few clicks, you can tailor your markers to suit your project's needs perfectly. And there you have it, folks. The latest update to Adobe Premiere Pro brings a wealth of improvements to marker behavior, making your editing experience smoother and more efficient than ever before. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials. Until next time, happy editing.